Okay, so this is how you open a GS trailer from back to front. First, you're going to start off with the tension. Just like this. Pull that back. That's it. Yeah, you got to pull that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now you're going to move up to the flaps. You're here, weather flaps. All it is a bungee cord. Just like that. Then come back to the rear of the trailer. Same type of system here. Just push in, lift up, to the side, open. Okay, now you're going to crawl in. You're going to grab the door opener. I don't know. Can you get that? Okay. Show you what he's done. Okay, roll it up. There you go. Sometimes they open a little stubborn. Good. Okay, now for this part, as you see, the tension is loose from the front. All you have to do is lift the bracket up, lift the whole thing up, lock it in. Okay, now you can just push now to open. And you go. Okay, yeah, give her. Keep going. There you go. Okay, now you're just gonna push. Okay, maybe that's frozen. Hit it. Like, give it a good push. Sometimes you gotta break these wheels loose because it's frozen. And it should slide in the track. But if it doesn't, you gotta go up on the trailer. Every single one you gotta pull manually. Just like this. And then the wheels fall off, so you gotta make sure that the wheels don't fall off. Like this one did. Like just like that. Yo, come on this side. Can you pull these back? Make sure your wheels line up there. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta kick it. Okay. Now move to the back. Finish it up. That's pretty much as far as I go. And that's how you open the GS trailer. Okay, so this is how you open the trailer from front to back with the front tension system open. Okay? So the goal is to get this bar into this pin so it doesn't fall off the trailer. So me and Brian are gonna do that. What? Why isn't this? This is not wanting to go on now. Okay. Okay, here. Why is it so hard now? You going? Yeah, drop it. I don't think this is gonna. Okay. I'm just gonna mirror the other side. Ready? There you go. Ooh, okay, put it in. It's stuck. It's because the handle here. Fall in. Okay, so this should prevent the whole tarp from falling off. Okay, now we're gonna push it open. Okay, so this is how you open a GS trailer from front to back. When you first pull this off, you want to make sure that this arm is being held back by this pin. If you don't do this, this whole system will fall off the step of the trailer. So once you pulled this in and secured this, we can now push the whole tarp open. Just like so. And that is how you open a GS Stepdeck trailer from front to back. Okay, this is how you close a GS Stepdeck when the tarp is open from front to back. So you're going to want to pay attention to these bars so they don't slide. Just going to push. And you want to pay attention to the rail so these wheels line up with the rail. Just like so. Just like that. It's all about lining everything up. So sometimes you got to use a little bit of force. Let me help Brian out over here. Oh, yeah, push. Okay, I think we're on enough to where we can take these pins out. And this is what prevents the step of the trailer from falling off the roll tight system. Just like that, and then you can pull the front. Okay, now that we have the tarp shut, we're gonna re-tension it. So you're gonna want to make sure that these click in, just like that. Lock it with that. And then we're gonna go to the front of the trailer, to the tension system. Now this is the full tension system to the tarp. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the handle, pull it in. You're going to pull this out so it grabs this aluminum piece, just like that. And then you're going to push, and that is the tension to this tarp.